English together.
Weekend routines.
What do you usually do on Saturdays, Jessica?
Oh, that is a good question. On Saturdays, I like simple things. In the morning, I often walk in the park. Sometimes I drink tea and enjoy the fresh air. It makes me feel calm and happy.
That sounds very relaxing.
Yes, it is. In the afternoon, I usually meet my sister for lunch. We talk and laugh a lot. Sometimes we go shopping. If it rains, I stay home and watch a movie.
Movies are great. What do you usually do in the evening?
In the evening, I stay at home. I listen to music or play video games. I like to relax on Saturdays because the week is busy.
Nice.
How about you? What do you usually do on weekends, Alex?
On weekends, I like to rest too. In the morning, I sleep late. Then I make a big breakfast with eggs and bread.
That sounds good.
In the afternoon, I often meet my friends. We go to a small cafe and drink coffee. We talk about work and life. It is always nice to spend time together.
That is great.
In the evening, I cook dinner for my family. I like to try new food. Cooking makes me happy.
It sounds like we both enjoy calm weekends.
Yes, that is true. What do you usually do on Sunday evenings?
On Sunday evenings, I prepare for the week. I clean my room and get my bag ready. It helps me feel ready for Monday.
That is a good idea. Hey, maybe next Saturday we can go to a cafe together.
Yes, that sounds nice.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.